That's muted. Happy floor creaking, bro. Happy Halloween, my otter pups. We're gonna keep that in because, like, that's just my life. You probably didn't even hear that. I don't even know. Anyways, happy Halloween, my otter pups. It's good to see y'all, and I missed y'all. We're back with another video, and I'm a bunny for Halloween, so you know, we're just hold on. Let me just okay. Yup. We're a bunny for this whole video. Okay, so today's video is a look into Croatia, and I really like doing these now because this is kind of like history for me, really, or like world culture studies, because me being over here in the sheltered bubble that is the United States, I hate it. I don't really get to see much of what goes on outside of this country, right? So I'm very excited to get into this one today. I don't know how to say these names. Y'all just want to see me suffer, really, because I don't know how to pronounce these. But this is, hold on, give me a second. Hold on. Martin Kosovec. Did I do it? I don't know. But this isn't a compilation, so this is going to be a bit weird to react to. I have to react to each individual stage of this voice thing, performance. There we go. That was the word I was looking for. Anyways, let's get into it. Okay, can you tell that I have a lot of energy and don't know what to do with it? Let's get into this. All right, we are here. Okay, so I know nothing about this in advance. Also, do you know how hard it is to get headphones within a onesie hood? If you didn't know, it's absolutely freaking ridiculous. Anyways, I know nothing about this. I know nothing about Croatia. I know nothing about the voice Croatia. I know nothing about this performer, okay? So all of my reactions are going to be new and fresh. And there are going to be pauses and cuts, the same as always, but a little bit more this video because, like I said, there's no full compilation, so I have to click and react to each individual stage of this performance. All right, but with that being said, without further ado, I believe there's subtitles, but just in case there's not, let's get into it. Oh, soft start.
And now is near, and so I face the final curtain.
Oh,
my friend, I'll say it clear. I'll state my case, of which I'm certain. I've lived the life.
They're not playing already.
And every highway and more.
Oh my goodness.
More than this, I did it my way.
Oh my god, dude. It's like that's the sort of music that you hear in those like local Italian restaurants in the late night, you know, that type of music that you hear outside the bar when you're sharing a drink with your friend, like that sort, you know, that those romantic movies where they're like walking home together after a really nice date. It's that sort of like romantic sleepy time music. Oh my gosh.
Regrets, I've had a few.
He's so stoic with it.
But then again, too few.
I wish I was understanding what y'all could say.
What I had to do, and saw it through without exemption. I planned each charted course, each careful step along the byway.
Ooh.
And more, much more than this, I did it my way.
Oh my goodness.
Yes, there were times, I'm sure you knew,
Ajmo još gore, ajmo.
when I bit off
I'm assuming they're saying they're waiting for more. That hit the button. Yep, go ahead. Go ahead. Put your hand on the button. Yes! Yes! Let's go! Oh my gosh. Okay, so we can tell that these videos are older. Please stop. Okay, we could tell that these videos are older because they go a little bit more informal, you know, with the whole setup of it. But oh my gosh, I did it my way. You better. I'm so and I really love when they have that stoic confidence in their voice, you know, when they're doing the blind audition. It's really about, you have to bring it, right, vocally. But I love when they're so focused. You can tell they're so focused on delivering that performance and delivering the cover the way that they want to sing it. And you could tell that he was so focused and like, I don't care about nothing else but singing this song right. You better sing. All right, on to the next one.
I've been in love so many times, thought I knew the score, but now you treated me so wrong.
Who ended up being his coach?
I can't take anymore.
Oh my God.
And it looks like I'm never gonna fall in love again. Fall in love. I'm never gonna fall in love. I'm in it for.
Oh my goodness.
In love.
Oh my Lord.
Again.
You better. Oh my gosh. There's so many wonderful singers in the world, man.
All those things I've heard about you.
Oh!
Well, I thought they were only lies. But when
How
you
old is this
fell
person?
for someone else, baby,
Martin.
I just broke down and cried.
Me.
Fall in love. No, I'm never gonna fall in love. Please don't make me fall.
You better take your time with it.
In love
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. One of the comments on my other video, I can't remember if it was Lavron's or if it was Inger, said that the band cannot be ignored when it comes to these sort of things. When it comes to the performances, the band needs just as much acknowledgement. I'm sorry, I'm excited, so the words are like not loading. Did I tell you I have ADHD? Anyways, when the band brings the whole song together, that makes the vocal performance that much more amazing, bro. And this, it's like I'm getting sleepy. I always want to be honest with y'all about how these performances are affecting me, right? And y'all see it in my face, but like I'm getting sleepy. I low key, and this onesie isn't helping, but I low key want to just like cuddle up. You feel me? Lay down and just be like, in love again, and I'm just like, good night. Have a great night. We're only on the third now video. We still have a few more to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Having to click each and every one sucks. I can't lie to you. Next one. Okay, so that one ended up being the coach. I don't know who this person is. I'm sorry. Marco versus Martin. Wait, okay, wait, okay. I'm starting that over. I wasn't properly. I want to be perfectly immersed in these. Okay. Dino? Team Dino?
We stop, look at one another, short of breath, walking proudly now in a coat, wearing smells from laboratories, facing a dying nation of moving paper fantasy, listening for the new door lies with the thrill visions of lonely tunes.
Somewhere inside something there is a rush.
Oh my gosh. I like that the teleprompter, whatever that is. That's not a teleprompter. Whatever that is in the back that's showing their faces. This sounds like it could be in a spy film. That guitar, I can't. The drum, I can't. Okay, Marco.
Our space songs on a spider web. Sitar, life is around you and in you. Asking for things until every day. Let the sun shine. Let the sun shine in. The sun.
Loving the energy, Marco, period. Ooh! Oh my goodness. We appreciate Marco and the energy. That was beautiful. That was wonderful. Martin sounds like that 60-year-old man. That 60-year-old man sort of voice. And I have no idea how old he is, but like, wow. It's like, it's one of those things where the face does not match the voice at all. And he's got like the mafia sort of like look. I'm just getting Italian mobster. I'm just getting Italian mobster, and he opens his mouth and it's this like bluesy, beautiful 50s, 60s sort of music, and like it's just, I love it. Okay. All right. We're halfway through, y'all. We're halfway through.
Tu ćeš naći uvijek dom, srce koje kuca za te.
I want to understand what's happening. Oh, there's no... Y'all foul for that, not giving me subtitles.
Sve što treba znati, znaćeš kako boli plač kada tvoja zemlja pati, ali za svega sigurno ćeš znati što ti znači ovaj kraj. To je tvoja zemlja, tu sagradi dom, tu je stari temelj, tu na kršu tvoj, tuđini oluje.
Oh my gosh. I need a lighter. It's a corgi. Oh my gosh. Them backup singers are doing their thing. Martin. Oh my goodness. That's so pretty. That was the most personality I've seen from him so far. If anybody that watches me is Croatian, that is right, the proper term for it. I'm sorry. Okay, let me stop real quick, since we have to do all of this going back and forth. I just want to say, before anything tries to say otherwise, that I approach these videos, these art explorations, with nothing but respect. But like I said, I'm very sheltered, not through many faults of my own, okay? And these videos are helping me expand my knowledge. So when I do get something wrong, eventually there will be a point where I say something wrong, or I approach something wrong, or I pronounce it not like how it's supposed to be pronounced. It is not in disrespect. It is in lack of knowledge, okay? And lack of cultural worldview. So please approach it with love and respect, the same way that I'm approaching these with love and respect for the culture and for these artists and performers, okay? And just correct me respectfully and politely. Thank you. Okay? So, with that being said, if there is anybody that can translate that for me and translate the lyrics, please do. I want to understand what was being said. That was beautiful. And all of the musicians are popping off in this compilation. Like, bro, y'all better do. I'm hearing the music and I'm hearing the singing and I'm like, ugh. But it's the backup singers, it's the drummers, it's the guitarists, it's the violins and everything else that's going on that's like literally bringing this all together so beautifully. Okay, we have 4 more. Let's do it. I'm so excited. Ooh.
Alone, lonely time
That deepness right there, yes. Yes.
And time goes by so slowly, as time can do so much. Are you still mine?
I'm sorry? I beg your finest pardon?
I need your love.
Ah! Stop.
Speed your love to me.
Oh my gosh. This is the perfect music for cuddle season. Y'all cuddled up?
Lonely rivers flow to the sea, to the sea. I'll be coming home, wait for me. Oh, my love,
Oh my goodness
my
gracious.
darling, I've hungered, oh, hungered for your touch.
You better go.
Are you still yes, I need your still
Oh my god.
yes, I need your love.
That was new.
Godspeed.
You can tell he's proud. He pulled that off.
To me, oh, to me, to me.
Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's so interesting to see how each of the voices in different regions go about their show, you know? Like coming from The Voice Norway and seeing how, not performance heavy, but the whole aesthetic of the performance is different. But here in The Voice Croatia, it's really like you're paying attention to the voice. That's what you're here for, right? And it's not so much about the fits. It's not so much about the environment and the other stuff around. It's more so just like listen to them sing, period, which I'm not complaining. It's just, it's very interesting because the voice US is very dramatic, okay? And in every sense of the word, like vocally, performance wise, we're very dramatic over here. And so going from that to just like listening is I'm so happy I made this channel. I am. I'm so happy y'all are here. I'm so happy y'all enjoy it. Okay, I'm so happy y'all appreciate it. I'm just it's my favorite holiday too. Like it's all of the energy is there. Martin, you better I need like oh my dog don't like my bunny ears. Music is universal, man. I don't care what anybody says. I don't have to understand a thing. Music is universal. Can you chill out? Excuse me, sir. I'm bumping to music here, and you're worried about my bunny ears. There are way more important matters in the world. Ooh. That was wonderful. That was a full experience. that was y'all. You know what? Editor cat. Editor cat, just crop me in a circle and put me on there, because we not doing this. So my whole reaction for this was recorded in the cam scene and not here. But that's okay. That's okay, because I know exactly what I reacted to and when. So let's do it again. That's a shame, bro. I love the musicians. I don't know who these people are at all. I'm loving those piercings though. So ended up who? Who ended up being the coach? Dino or this other coach? I love the music. Oh my god, stop, please. The art, the I can't. The musicians, I can't. Yo. Stop.
Žali Bože što te znam. I sad u sobi punoj dima još skidam se sa tebe po cijelu noć i dan. Kada me nema tu, tonem sve do dna. I kada mi nestaje tlo pod nogama. I kada mi tijelo gori, zovem u pomoć.
Their energy is contagious. Yes. Period. I'm noticing, okay, so if we're going to turn the cam on here, let's not forget to switch it back. Okay. I'm noticing that there's a lot more lower registers in Croatia, at least from this. You know, I only have very limited information to pull from, but there's a lot more lower registers. So that's interesting to see. Like, there's a lot more mezzo sopranos, and, you know, like, there are a few tenors here and there, but altos, baritones, and that sort of thing, it's more so on the lower register, which I really appreciate, because us lower vocal ranges need love too. Okay? We need love and appreciation just as much. I will always advocate for my lower vocal registers. Okay, so that was I think that was the finals, the semifinals. I think. Oh, and another thing that I said when I messed up is that music is universal. It really is. Like, it is the universal language of love, emotion, appreciation, culture. You feel me? Like, you don't need to understand. You don't have to understand the words. You don't have to understand what's going on. You don't have to hear the message underneath it. Sometimes it really is just about the vibe and just appreciating the vibe and where it came from. I have so much respect. I do. I do. Okay. All right. Hold on. Let me make sure. There we go. There's the sound confirmation I need. Okay. All right. So this is the finals.
And now the end is near, and so I face.
What a perfect song for the finals.
Curtain. My friends, I'll say it clear. I'll state my case, of which I'm certain. I've lived this life that's full. I've traveled each and every highway, and more, much more than this, I've did it my way.
This is the first time I've seen somebody start and finish with the same song. I didn't know that could be done. I didn't know that could be done. I thought like every single performance that you had to do had to be different, or you had to sing a different song each time. But that's a great idea to start with one song and then to bring it back to that song, but now you've improved on your technical skill. There we go. You've improved on your skill and you've improved on your like performance, and then to bring it back and say, okay, here's how I sing the song now that I'm better. You know, that's a great idea.
Regrets, I've had a few.
I genuinely didn't know you could do this.
But then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do and saw it through without exemption.
It's so much smoother.
And each charted course, each careful step along the byway, and more, much more than this, I've did it my way. Yes, there were times I'm sure you knew.
It's so romantic. I can't.
More than I could chew, but through it all, when there was dawn, I ate it up and spit it out. I faced it all, and I stood tall
Come on, Martin.
and did it my
Yes, Martin. Yes. Oh my God. Wow. Wow. I genuinely did not know that you could perform the same song twice. I learned something new every video. And it was so much better. Like, wow. The blind auditions was good too. Don't get me wrong, but it was so much better. It was smoother. The ups, the I did it my way was so, it was like you were just, you know, when you go sit on those like dove and swan ferries, and you just sit there with your partner. I'm a romantic at heart, okay? And you just sit there with your partner and you just coast and you just listen to the music that's coming from the air, from literally nowhere. This is the sort of music that I hear in my head when I have those like romantic sort of, I don't even know what to call it, the visualizations. Like literally this is romance in voice. It's beautiful. Okay, now it's time for the finals. Let's end it off strong. Okay, take us home, Martin. I'm not ready. I'm sorry. The musicians are going off, okay? The musicians are going off. There's so much. I have so much to bring up. I have so much to bring up, and I'm so excited about all of it. The musicians are going off. This entire compilation, I have been bopping and jumping and jiving and head bobbing to the stuff that I hear going on in the background. Like, the music is great, don't get me wrong. I love how Martin sounds. I love this voice. I love it. I love it. I love it. But even more so, it's the backup dancers, it's the guitarists, and all of the different guitars they have going on right here. And it's the drummer, the violinists, the pianists, everything. You just, like, y'all, I'm so happy about it that it makes me angry. Y'all are doing y'all thing. Come on, Martin. I see the confidence. Come on.
Zaboravljam strah, usporavam korake. Gledaj moje ruke, gledaj san.
Oh my goodness.
Primakni svoje tijelo, toplo je. Pogledaj, nije još dan. Padaju zvijezde. Oboji se sve, otvore vrata i vidiš svijet kraj nas. Gledaj moje ruke, gledaj san, primakni svoje tijelo, toplo je. Gledaj moje oči, gledaj sjaj.
I'm sorry. I was unfamiliar with your game.
Na mene dolaze sjene i mirno stoje između nas. Gledaj moje ruke, gledaj san, primakni svoje tijelo, toplo je. Gledaj moje oči, gledaj sjaj, sjaj u tami. Sjaj u tami. Sjaj u tami.
Oh my goodness, great. Martin, stop it. Martin, yo, the breath control, hello, the breath control, the smoothness, like, I was speechless. I was speechless. Hello. And that's like the second most personality I've seen. I love it. I gotta tease. I love it. It's, oh my gosh. Wow. I am so happy to have this channel, to have y'all who recommend these things to me. Thank you so much to my otter pups. Thank you so much for watching this. And I just, man. And another thing that I love, I'm so speechless. Another thing that I love is hearing the difference in a voice when give me a second. I need to gather the words. Okay. I love hearing the difference in a voice when it goes from singing English or a language that they're not necessarily familiar with, right? Or a language that isn't their native language. And then going from that to singing their native language that they're comfortable speaking, and hearing how their voice changes to match the accent of that native language and to match the cadence that you need to switch to that language. It's something about it that just scratches my brain in the best way possible, you know, because he sounds beautiful, period. No matter what comes out of his mouth, it's velvety silk magic, okay? But switching from that to his native language, I'm listening to silk be woven in my ear. Legit. It's like, wow. Anyways, that was Martin Kosovec. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it, but if it's not, I'm so sorry. I apologize. Please correct me in the comments nicely. Okay, respectfully. Thank you. Thank you all for watching. Thank you so much for this recommendation. Once again, we have a lot more to get through. And happy holidays to anybody that does celebrate Halloween. Be safe when you go out today. And until the next one, I want to take a moment to thank my patrons. And if you want to join my Patreon, get newsletters, see the videos that I can't post here and all of that good stuff, the link will be in my description as well as on my bio. And yeah, we have a lot to look forward to in these next few weeks. And I also have something that I want to show y'all later, but it's coming. Stay patient. I'll see y'all soon. I love and appreciate y'all. But for now, peace. I did it my way.